Good morning, students. I welcome you back to STEM Star online classes, and this is Rubab Rizvi. And children, today I am going to take your class of value education. And children, for assessment 1, just have a look at your syllabus. 3 chapters are coming. That is respecting people who look different, teamwork, and being friendly with your siblings. So these 3 chapters are coming for assessment 1. Please take value education classes also seriously, because you're going to have assessment for this subject as well. Okay, so please take out your books and let's read the chapter. I hope you all have the books. Okay, so let's start the very first chapter, respecting people who look different. Respecting people who look different. Different. What does that mean? Children, we all are different. We all are not same. Okay? If you look each other, if you look at me, if you look at your friend, your mother, father, all are different, right? Some are tall, some are short, some are short-heighted, some are fat, some are thin, some are dark complexioned, and some are fair. So children, but tell me one thing, does that mean if someone is fat or someone is short-heighted, will you make fun of that person? Is it good to make fun of any person? No children, this is something very bad. We should never make fun of anyone. This is the story is all about. Today we are going to study a story about Santa Claus and reindeers, and how Santa Claus teach a lesson to the reindeers who bully one small reindeer. Okay, so children, let's start. It was the most important day of the year at the North Pole. So it was an important day. What was the day? It was on Christmas Eve. Okay. Santa was ready to, you know who is Santa, right? On Christmas you have seen Santa. He's a man who wears red colored dress with white beard, and he's very cheerful and jolly, and he give gifts to children, right? So children, so this is the story about the Santa Claus. So it was a Christmas Eve. Santa was ready to go on his trip to deliver children gifts. Every year he delivered Christmas presents to children at night. What does he do? At night he give gifts to the children. Santa was getting ready to leave. Just then he heard a loud noises coming from outside his window. Then when he was getting ready, he heard some loud noise coming from the window, outside the window. The reindeer were teasing Rudolph. There were few reindeers were standing. Can you see? If you have a book, just look in your book. The reindeers are standing here, and one of the reindeer's name is Rudolph. What is his name? Rudolph. And the other reindeers were teasing Rudolph. Why? Let's see why they were teasing Rudolph. They were teasing Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Now this reindeer was red-nosed. His nose was red. So, what a silly nose you have, Rudolph, Prancer said. Now one of the reindeers, whose name was Prancer, he said, what a silly nose you have, Rudolph. He's making fun of Rudolph and saying, what a silly nose you have. Okay, it's shinier than an apple. Means his nose is so shiny, it keeps shining bright. It's red in color, it shines so bright. So this Prancer reindeer is making fun of Rudolph. He's saying your nose is so shinier. It shines so bright and it shined like an apple. And one of the reindeer was standing. His name was Dancer, and he giggled. He started laughing. It looks like you always have cold, Donna said. Another reindeer, whose name was Donna, he said, it seemed that you always have cold. When you have cold, your nose become red, isn't it? So he said, it seemed that you have cold always. So in this way, they were teasing and bullying Rudolph. Bullying means children to harm harms anyone's feeling or insult anyone. Okay. So let's see. So it's Donna. What did Donna say? It looks like you always have a coat. The Santa was all listening all this. Santa became very sad. He was upset. He was sad. He did not like seeing anyone being bullied. Bullied means, as I told you, to insult someone or to harm anyone's feeling. So Santa was very upset and he did not like seeing anyone being bullied or teased. Okay, he decided to teach the reindeer a lesson. So he thought, I'm going to teach them a lesson. Means when you do bad things or wrong things, I punish you. In the same way, he also thought, the Santa, that I'm going to teach these reindeers a lesson. Let's see how he is going to teach a lesson. Every year, the reindeer were very excited to see who Santa would choose to guide the sleigh. Now, children, you must have seen a sleigh in which there are so many reindeers, and then there is a small seat tied to the sleighs, and the reindeers lead those sleigh, and Santa sits on that sleigh. If you want to see, I can show it also. See, can you see? This is a sleigh. Reindeers are leading the sleigh. Okay, and Santa is sitting. So this is a sleigh. So the reindeers were very excited to see who Santa would choose to guide the sleigh. Means they were discussing and they were very excited to know who would Santa choose to guide this. It means who will stand in front of, like when you have children, when you have annual function, you want to stand right in front, right? Now, in the same way, they were also, the reindeers were also very excited that whom would Santa choose to lead the sleigh. Means who will stand in front and lead the other reindeers. So they were very excited. All the reindeers wanted to be the lead reindeer. They all were wanting themselves to be the lead reindeer. Okay. So after all, it was the most important night of the year. Prancer, will you lead my sleigh tonight? Now, what did Santa say? Santa said to Prancer, the reindeer, will you lead my sleigh tonight? Santa asked. Prancer was so excited. Now, Prancer was very excited because he wanted to lead the sleigh. So, he became very happy that Santa chose me. And he became very excited. Excited means happy. I am the most handsome reindeer. He thought that Santa has chosen me because I am the most handsome reindeer. Handsome means good looking. He said to the others that I am the most handsome reindeer. That is why Santa chose me to lead the sleigh. But Santa had another plan in mind. He wanted to teach a lesson to the reindeer, right? So he had some other plan in his mind. Let's see what that plan is. They set off on their long journey. After delivering presents, delivering means giving presents across Asia, it was time to head towards Europe. They flew over large forests. Flew means fly. They flew over large forests and high mountains. There were no lights below. A large snowstorm was up ahead. Storm means Storm means strong winds. When the strong winds start blowing, there is thunder, lightning. So means there was storm ahead. Prancer could not see ahead of him. Now it was so dark, there were so many clouds and so dark that Prancer could not see anything. It was very dark. He lost his way. When he could not see anything, he lost his way. None of the other reindeer could help him as they could not see either. And the other reindeer, they also could not see anything because it was so dark. So there was confusion and they lost their way. If they got lost, none of the children would get their Christmas present. Now when they will not reach on time, how will they deliver present? So the present will not be given to the children. So they were very sad. Suddenly Santa said in a loud voice. Now what did Santa say? Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Now he said to the Rudolph who had the red nose, whose nose shines so bright, he asked Rudolph to come and lead the sleigh, means to come and stand right in front and lead his other reindeers. Because why? Because his nose was so red and it shine, and it will shine, then it will give light to the and it will give light, they will see the way. So, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? He knew the shining light from Rudolph's red nose would help them find their way. If it will shine, it will help them find their way. So Rudolph was now very happy. He went up front and started guiding the sleigh. All the presents were delivered on time. The reindeer never teased Rudolph ever again. Now all the other reindeers, they saw that we were making fun of Rudolph, and now this Santa has chosen Rudolph only, and he is leading us. He is showing us the way. So they were feeling guilty. They were feeling bad about making fun of Rudolph. The reindeer never teased Rudolph again. So they got a lesson, and reindeer never teased Rudolph ever again. They only loved and respected him more. Now they only loved him and respected him. It was a Merry Christmas indeed. So this was a story about Rudolph and other reindeers who were making fun of Rudolph because he had a red nose which shines so bright, and they always make fun of him. But Santa teach them a lesson by telling them that everyone is unique in their own way. So children, what do you learn from this lesson? That we should never make fun of anyone, isn't it? So children, what do you learn from this chapter? That we should never make fun of any person. You might not do it intentionally, but others might get hurt very badly. So remember this and never ever make fun of any person. So this is the moral of the story. I hope you must have understood the story. So in the next video I am going to take another chapter. Okay children, till then take care and bye.